everyone, I'm Erin and I'm a speech pathologist at Therapy Care. Today I wanted to discuss language regressions. So a language regression is when a child loses words that they once had. There are some situations where losing words is typical, but most of the time this is a sign of atypical language development and warrants an evaluation from a professional. So a situation where it might be typical for a child to lose a word that they previously were saying is, for example, around Christmas time, and your child starts saying the word Santa, but then a few months later you realize they don't really say that anymore. And this could be normal since Santa is a highly contextual word and your child probably has little reason to say Santa in probably June as opposed to December when they said that word all the time. Another example could be if you're on a vacation at the beach and your child says a new word like sand, only to forget it later. Again, sand is, in this case, very specific to a certain context and environment that the child does not have consistent exposure to. So this could be considered normal. However, on the other hand, if your child loses a highly important word for them, like if they're suddenly stop saying mama or dada, or really any other highly functional word that's important for them to use in order to have their needs met, this is much more concerning. So another factor to consider is how many words did they lose. It is considered atypical to lose many or all of the words that they once said, especially if they aren't gaining new words at an expected rate. So if you are questioning how many words your child is currently saying, you can look back at my video about first words, which can help you establish how many true words your child currently has in their vocabulary. But as always, if you are having concerns or your child isn't meeting milestones, you should seek out an evaluation with a speech pathologist. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for listening.